What up, Sketch Squad? The educational information live stream, gaming for kids with disease, and streaming from smartphone. We got a TCL Raven low-income phone. It just won't go out of Bootloop, and it just keeps on going over and over again. I mean, I think the power button stuck. My friend put some super glue on it or something. I got to scrape it away. It's like boot looping over and over again. He also voluntarily gave me the voluntary information that he was moving some files around in the system. I had previously taken out some system apps without having to root the phone with some code, ADB code, and it was successful, and the phone ran great, and the battery life lasted forever. But he said he was like fucking around with the phone, and like went inside and took some system apps somewhere. But the thing is that I didn't root the phone, so it's like, why didn't the fuse mount stop it? Why didn't the Android system just stop the permission? I don't know. I think as well because he had full hard drive. So I got to figure out how to do this. I'm currently researching. It's a weird boot loop. Like, I go into power up, and it'll go into hard reset mode, Android system recovery, but it'll just boot loop again. All right, let it boot loop again. Oh, it's off? Is it? Nope. Just buzzed on me. Oh, there's the system recovery. No? Boot looping again. Let it boot loop and press the power. And when it comes on, let go of the power button. That's when it's supposed to happen. And then it's supposed to go into. No. It didn't. Fucker. Here, I'm going to do it. I'll show you the screen, how it boot loops right in there. Nope, didn't do it. It's supposed to hold volume up and power. Oh, I'm being an idiot. Hold on. It's supposed to go into Android system recovery, and it does, and then it just boots right out. It's supposed to be from off. When you turn it on, it's supposed to do it, but oh gosh darn it. It's a little finicky. It will do this to you, especially if you have a messed up power button. I'm pushing it up against the washer. I wouldn't recommend doing that, but oh man, it just keeps boot looping. It's doing different things. It's like shutting off quicker, or, not having to. Oh, I got into it, but it boot looped again. Okay, hold on. It's not working because it won't. I've been trying it for a couple hours now. I have still yet to research it. I'm trying to make it work right? Yeah. Fucking hard reset screen. There it is. Goes away. Bye. I've tried unplugging the device as well, and it just boots right back. Fun. Welcome to the Sketch Squad, our new project. Embarking on the TCL Raven, low income, unleashed prepaid. Alrighty then. Watch me root and develop this phone and get my friend free 4G LTE unlimited internet with no hotspot required. Already existing 4G LTE. Guys, we're sponsored by Razer, Origin, G2A, Children's Miracle Network. That's fucking exciting. Check out discord.me/SketchSquadTV where you can get your Razer gear. Man, we're giving away 2 laptops, headsets, backpacks, mouse, keyboards. Go to awindustries.webstore.com. And right there, guys, man, that's awesome. Cool site. It's for affiliates and constituents, colleagues, and partners to pretty much, pick up the system themselves. Share the Origin and Video Razer links and figure out how to get sponsored by other things. Discord, Children's Miracle Network, Gawkbox. Check it out, guys. I'm going to let you know that it will, if you're using Chrome, it will say proceed back to safety and all that stuff. Don't worry, it's just a third-party website where people sell coins and like their memorabilia on and stuff. I used it for the HTML purposes because it was free, but check it out. The links up there are all good. You can click any of the links below: Razer, Origin, NVIDIA, and the Discord as well. Hop up on in there and check out the announcements page. Tie them all together. Go to the website and hop in the Discord, and then you guys will be able to figure out exactly how to win those laptops. Mice, headset, keyboard, like $600 worth of free games and software licenses and stuff. Check it out, guys. Get any questions? Shoot me. Do it. I will answer questions. Like, comment, subscribe. We got to do some cool stuff to this phone, guys. Thank you.